Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and recover your Tubi TV password in your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. For that purpose, first of all, what you will do is go ahead and open your mobile phone browser, or you can go ahead open your Tubi app and go ahead search tubi.com right there in your browser. Once you do that, it's simply gonna look like this. If you are in your mobile, then it's gonna, like, if you have already signed in, go ahead sign out of your account, and then what you're gonna do is, because for you to reset your password, if you're signed in, if you go to password option, you will have to enter your current, which you don't remember. So for the purpose, sign out and tap on this sign in option above given over here. If you are signing with any of the measure, what you can do is, if you sign in with the Google, it's simply your email. Go ahead and enter your particular email over here. Once you're done entering your email, instead of this password option, go ahead tap on this forgot password, where you will enter your email again over here and tap on this reset my password, which way you will be able to receive a code right there on email, a confirmation code regarding resetting your password. Tap on that code, come over here, enter your current enter your new password, again confirm it like you did before, and tap on this done option. Then your password will be reset over here in your Tubi, and make sure to remember that particular password. Make sure to take a screenshot or note that particular password, and you're good to go. So yes guys, this is it. This is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys in our next video.